Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, June 9th, 2015. I want to show you this Chesapeake chart, folks. So again, take a look at this intraday 10-minute. This is one of the best bullish patterns of consolidation I have seen in a long time. Notice how intricate it is in terms of the move up into the 200 moving average and then this little bit of a pivot. All right, so if I put a trend line where we opened, I guess this would be Friday, right? Or last Thursday, that's exactly where we hit the highs, and that's where resistance. This is known as gap window right here. But look at the consolidation pattern, how tight it is, just following the 200 moving average down. And notice how the 20 came up, no big deal, but now the 50 moving average is sloping up into current price. Now, generally, this is the last chance this has to make a big move up off of the bullish consolidation pattern. Essentially, think of it like this. This 50 MA is going to light the fuse and send the rocket ship up. And you can actually see it starting to try here with these little bit of up candles here against the 20 moving average. I'm very curious to see where we close today. If Chesapeake closes a penny or so above the 20 MA right here, I think it's just a quick shot tomorrow to this gap fill level right here around 1355 or so. Okay, so again, I just want to point this out. I think it's a fascinating chart, bullish consolidation, on the chart of Chesapeake right here. And again, the 50 MA coming up underneath price even while the market has gotten a little bit weaker over the afternoon session here after making highs in the early afternoon. So again, nice bullish consolidation. Let's see if this rips up. I also think you have to pay attention to Carl Icahn. All right, he owns a crap load of Chesapeake, and he's not happy. If I flip to the daily chart, take a look at the daily chart on Chesapeake. All right, you know he's not happy with it basically at 52-week multi-year lows down here. So it's hard not to think that he's going to be coming out at some point, making some comments, some activist kind of comments to try to get this stock ripping to the upside. I'm curious if he thinks that the pieces of Chesapeake, the amount of land they owned, is worth more than the company at this point. I don't know. I'm sure he's in discussions with the CEO at this point in time about certain ways to increase value on this company at this point. So again, I just like that aspect that even though the chart is great already, and maybe it just goes on its own because it's a great chart, you have to also say to yourself there could be a secondary factor here that makes a big pop up. And if you get Carl Icahn to start pounding the table, Chesapeake could be back to $15 very, very soon. So again, just something to watch here, guys. I'm very curious to see how this plays out. 10-minute chart of Chesapeake, just a beautiful thing right here. 50 MA coming up. You can see it's starting to try to go, but the 20 MA now is resistance. If it can pop through the 20 MA, that would be a positive into the end of the day and most likely a catalyst for tomorrow's price action. All right, guys, enjoy. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. This is just some of the analysis we do. We look at charts 24/7, finding the best possible moves. We covered a short on Apple today. We covered an SWKS short today. We sold put options on the Qs for a 55% gain. We're making money literally on swing trades and on options left and right. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.